Hi guys, welcome to the new tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to get admin command in Steal a Brainrot in Roblox. First of all, go to the Roblox site and search Steal a Brainrot. After this, click on this and go to the game. Here you can see I have to click the play button. After clicking the play button, I will redirect to the game. In the game menu, I have to see a shop option. Here you can see click on this shop option and you will be redirected to the shop in the Roblox. Here you can see three options: gear, money and game pass. Click on the game pass. After clicking, you have to see admin panel. It is paid. Click on this. You have to need 7499 Roblox. After this, you will get admin commands in this game. If you found something helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video.